Well, I sit on a utility authority with with one other supervisor and all mayors. So I hope to take that opportunity as a member of the utility authority to talk about a district and different districts that would overlap and encompass the entire county. Because if you're not regional, and I've discussed that with my engineer, regional in some of the speakers today, they were 25 cities. We have 5 cities in the unincorporated area, and most of our water, we could go with 3 counties or 6 counties as a region, but my engineer tells me that we are basically dealing with our own water, that the other water is deferred through the Pearl River, the Black Creek, and those sorts of things. So I think our responsibility, if we want to continue to be a tourist area and welcome people in and develop our economic development to its highest degree, is to let the people understand, and they will make the right decision, and we must, as a group, as an entire 5 cities in the unincorporated area, give them that opportunity.